Hello, 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 ladies and gentlemen. So here is Nick.
And I'm Angie.
Welcome to our stream. So today is Friday. So our congratulations.
Happy
Yes, we have
Friday.
weekends pretty soon, and so you will have time to rest. Yes, and to relax a little bit. So before the next trading week, actually. And as for the next week, Angie. So what do we have?
Oh, next week we are starting a really awesome event. It's called a Profit Challenge and Quiz. So basically, it's going to be really awesome. Where seven analysts from eight analysts from six different
Yeah.
countries will trade, and we're also going to have a quest for you with lots of prizes. So yes, definitely, make sure that you are subscribed to our YouTube channel.
That's it. Don't
Ring
forget about
and
it.
ring that bell so you don't miss out on any important information. And of course, the release and the start of the event, which is next Thursday, the 27th.
Okay, guys. Well, and as usual, we'll start with the following. So we'll check the sounds and the picture. If everything's okay with the picture and the video, so please type plus, so that we make sure that everything is great, that we can start and there are no technical problems at all.
Absolutely.
So yes. So thank you very much. So let's do this first.
And while we're waiting, we're gonna go ahead and tell you our promo code, our weekly promo code that works for any and all deposits. It adds 30% to your deposit, and the promo code is FEB and then the number 12. This will add 30% to any and all deposit. It works today and tomorrow, so you can still enjoy it if you would like to.
Yes, guys.
We put it in chat, and it's also going to be in the description of this video just in case.
That's it. So guys, again, so please let's check the sound and the picture. Please type plus if there are no technical problems. If you can hear us, if you can see us. So maybe it would be great. So if you could write something like
Faizan Rana, what is
Fab
photo?
12.
Can you kindly let us know if you can hear us and if you can see us well?
Yes, guys. So please type plus. Yeah. So if there are no problems with the micro and the picture, because
We just need to make sure that you can hear us.
yes.
Greetings to everyone. We have here Sir Infotech, Paul Thomas, Dinesh.
Okay.
Hello, Faizan Rana,
All looks
Amresh,
good. All looks well. Thank you from Nigeria. Well, welcome Nigeria.
Rory from
Paul
Nigeria. Yes.
Thomas Rhodes. Yes. Hi Angie, madam, and Nick sir. Hello. Actually, Rich, you return my all money. What? Well, actually, if you trade and you lose your money, unfortunately, we cannot help you with this.
If you guys can please let us know if you can hear us and if you can see us well by just putting a plus sign, just to make sure, because we do see
Yes.
your comments, but we're not sure if everything is clear with the sound in the picture.
So guys, please type plus, please. Well, actually, no problem reception. So what reception? I don't understand. Well, anyway, so just someone hack my Olymp account and trade my account. Actually, you might write to our tech support team, so our colleagues will help you. So this is not a problem for them. Unfortunately, we cannot help you here. Yes, well, we are not responsible for this, and so we cannot check anything. So
From our
unfortunately,
side.
yes, from our side. So guys, please type plus. Yeah,
Okay,
great.
we got a plus.
Finally. So we were waiting for this because that's really important. Yes.
Thanks
so
so much
guys,
for that.
yes. So today we are going to speak a little bit about psychology of trading, and we are going to speak about a fear to act. Yes, because sometimes, well, traders, they have this like petrifying feeling that well, it's really hard to make the first step. Yes. And today we will discuss the fear to act and how to overcome this internal barrier. Yes. So what about the internal barrier? So what is it? So this is the paralyzed condition that cause discomfort mostly. Yes. Well, actually, it refers not only to trading but to all other things. So for example, well, I don't know, you see a beautiful girl on the street, so you want to come and to actually to ask her for phone number. Yes, but you are afraid to do this. Or, for example, you hate your job, you want to change your job, but actually you have a barrier that's, well, it does not allow you to do this. Yes, well, it creates some type of a wall, yes, in front of you, and you cannot break this wall. You cannot overcome this wall. So you are afraid to do this. So this is a really bad feeling. Yes. And so, what about trading? So, yeah, Angie.
Yeah, so basically, have you ever been like, you want to do something or you
Mhm.
want to venture into something new? Like for some of the examples that Nick just
Mhm.
mentioned, and you're like, what if, and what if, and what if, and this paralyzed condition can
Mhm.
cause discomfort, such as, for example, when you stress about something for a very long time and something that you're fearing can actually cause like physical, even nausea, for example.
That's
So
it.
basically, it's a really interesting, it's a condition that should be fixed, and there are several steps. So, yes.
Yes, that's it. Well, as for the trading guys, well, of course, so we are all traders here, yes, and we have to mention that for the trader, if a trader, well, what a trader cannot do if he is afraid of something, yes, if he has such this internal barrier, well, of course, so the first problem is to start trading, and this is a really typical question. Well, all traders all around the world, they ask us, for example, so how to overcome this fear, so to start trading. We'll speak about this today. Switch into a live account. So, yes, so this is a really basic, typical mistake too. So, well, a trader usually starts with a demo account, and after some time, well, it's time to switch into live accounts, but well, inside the trader there is a feeling that, well, I cannot do this, yes, and he cannot do this because he's afraid of this. Try other assets too, yeah. So there are plenty of different assets, not just currencies or currency pairs, yes. Also there are metals, there are commodities, different commodities, stocks, well, I don't know, ETFs, everything. So you might try everything, cryptocurrencies. Well, as for me personally, for example, I don't trade cryptocurrencies. I hate cryptocurrencies. But maybe this is because of this
Some
feeling.
kind of fears. But yeah, but if
Yes.
you have a fear of trying other assets, you may be missing out on really, really awesome and profitable opportunities, but you're afraid.
That's it. Yes. Also, start again
After
after
losses.
losses. Yes. Well, for example, you have a sequence of losses, and after a while, so well, the question is, so how to return back to trading? Yes. So to the normal trading style, and this is really typical too. Return back to trading after holidays too. Yes. Well, tomorrow we have holidays. For example, weekends. Yes. So on Monday, you will have to, or not you will have to, but you can start again, yes. But some traders won't do this because actually they are afraid to do this, yes.
Or for example, if you take like a break for like a week or 2 weeks, and then you have this fear, or maybe if you take that break in order to rest and to recuperate, so you come back with a strong and start trading, and then you have that fear at the end of the 2 weeks. I'm like, I'm not sure if I should go back or something like that.
That's it, yes. So actually, there are plenty of different like fears, yeah. So let's say so, and all these fears, they come from this, again, so from this internal barrier, yes. So
I really like that picture because
what
it
is
really
this one?
because it displays that we see a monster when it's really just a hand.
So that's it, yes. So and so what are the reasons? Yes, well, the first reason is the fear to make a mistake, and of course, so it equals, what is to make a mistake in trading? It means to lose money in trading, yes. So how to fight? Well, of course, for the first time, so when a trader comes, we recommend to learn the basics of trading, yes, to learn like the basic things. Yes. So, for example, you can read a book. So it doesn't mean that you have to, for example, to buy it. Yeah. So you can download it from the internet, for example. So you can read it and start, for example, start trading. Yes. Also, you can try demo accounts again. Yes. So this is you can try strategies, for example, like low risk strategies. For example, yes, so just decrease the amount of money in your trades. Don't use martingale system, for example, in this case.
It's like, for example, it's like when you buy something new, or when you're just starting out with something new, or I'm just comparing it. So if you buy something new, you usually have to read the manual in order to learn how to use it. Because if you just start pressing all kind of buttons or trying to put something together without reading the
Mm-hmm.
manual, it's highly likely that you might break something or it's not going to work properly. So yes, it's like learn the basics, and then when you know how something works, then you feel more comfortable.
That's it. That's it. That's it. So again, so well, of course, well, knowledge is power. Yeah. So this is the basic thing. Reason number two: comfort zone, guys. So we were discussing this last time. Yeah. So how to fight this comfort zone? How to to escape? Yeah.
Mhm.
So from this comfort zone. So how to fight financial caution, for example. So this is one of possible ways. Yes, so usually for a person, so there is a special zone, a special so let's say atmosphere. Yes, and so when you feel comfortable, yes, when you feel comfort, and you don't want, of course, you don't want to well for example to
Leave
leave,
that comfort
yes,
zone,
to leave
yeah.
this comfort zone. Yes, for example, the work which you don't like, yes, or something like that. So this is the second reason. So just try to create a financial cushion, for example. So for example, you have to have like an amount of money which is untouchable. Yeah, so let's say so, and you know that, for example, if something happens in trading or in real life with your work, you will have this financial cushion, and
That you can rely on in
yes,
case something
that's it.
goes wrong. So again, you feel more comfortable because it's kind of like you have a backup plan.
That's it. That's it, guys. Reason number three: fear of difficulties. Yes. So well, here also, well, some traders they think that well, trading is quite difficult thing. Yes, in some way, yes, it is quite difficult because well, traders they should know a lot of different things. Well, fundamental analysis, technical analysis, all that stuff. But anyway, so just step by step, you might try to learn all this. So how to find here? So self-education. Yeah. So this is really important for the trader. A really good trader is a really good student at first. Yes, me and Angie, so we are always learning all the time. We are always reading books. Yeah, so we are always going through the net, so looking for something. Yeah, so reading the news all the time, because this is really important. Small wins. We were discussing this, Angie. Yeah,
Hmm.
so it doesn't only, well, it is not only about like trading, but about other things too. Yeah, so just a small project, so complete the project at work. Yeah, so do something for, well, I don't know, in real life and in trading too. Yeah, so just start with the sequence of um, good trades, maybe small wins, so small profit, but anyway, so it's this will give you self
Self-assurance and
assurance. Yes,
confidence. Yes, it's like they say,
confidence.
small steps to a giant.
That's it.
Take
That's it.
little steps, and then you realize that things aren't as hard as they seem, and then you progress and progress, and then you take on more and more. So basically, it's just I just love that lovely small
Oh,
wins.
so well wins, yeah. So small wins, they're really great. So we are here. Good evening from India. India, greetings from Russia. Well, welcome to our stream. Reason number four, ladies and
This
gentlemen.
is
So
my
this
favorite.
is, yes, exhaustion and burnout. Yes, yes. So some people they really try to work really hard. Yes, and in this case, of course, there is a limit. Each person has got its own limit. Yes, and well, at the end, it's really possible that you will be really tired. What to do? Have a rest. So understand that when you start trading, especially at the beginning, so nobody forces you to do this. Yeah, so nobody is standing behind you with the loaded gun. Yes, well, just pointing at your head. No, there is no such thing. So just try to understand that to have a rest, this is also really important. Also really important.
Yeah, so we spoke about exhaustion and burnout like several times before. And when you're tired and when you're burned out, you can make more mistakes. And likewise, it will cause you fear to
Hmm.
act. So yeah, if you're tired and you're burned out, take a rest.
Take a rest. Yeah, so rest and relaxing.
Mhm.
So this is one of the elements of your one of the elements, yes,
Yeah,
of your
proper
strategy.
rest, by the way. Proper rest,
Proper
not
rest
yeah.
without
Quality.
alcohol.
Yeah.
Angie means okay. Next one, reason number five, ladies and gentlemen. So fear of other people opinions.
And criticism.
Yes. So, for example, Well, traders sometimes they are really afraid that somebody will tell something. Yes, especially well when we speak about relatives. Yes, so for example, your sister or your brother, well, I don't know, or your mom or your dad are asking you, so what are you doing? Yes, so what do you do for a living? And you say, okay, so I'm a trader. Oh, you are a loser or something like that. So actually, guys, well, how to fight? Don't give much information about what you are doing. Yes, don't share. And of course, so try to understand that confidence it's a feeling inside you. So you have to be confident. Don't of course you might listen to other people's opinion, but try not to so let's say so to well to listen a lot. Yes, and don't give much information about
My mama
this.
always said, "Don't tell nobody nothing." And I mean, it's not that you shouldn't tell anybody anything, but yes, the more you keep to yourself, the less
Mhm.
you have to worry about other people's judgments and opinions and criticism and so forth. Because
That's
it's
it.
not always going to be good. So,
That's it. That's it. That's it. Okay. So next theme. Next theme. So let's go further. And the next reason is losses. So sometimes, some of course, losses they can lead to this internal barrier. And well, how to fight? Take it easy. Yeah.
take
So
it
understand.
easy.
Yeah, really good
Sorry.
song. Why not? Understand that. Well, trading losses in trading. So this is your experience. This is your experience. So when you trade, and when you lose money, so this is the parts of your experience of your trading strategy too. Yes, because it will give you the understanding if your strategy works or not. So so that is why. So the basic thing here is that losses they have to be limited somehow. Yes, by following your strategy, by using money management, and so on and so on. So but understand that losses this is experience, and make pauses again.
And then I just wanted to add that also with the losses, you have to realize that you will have times of losses because the financial market doesn't work that you are always going to win. And when you realize this and you accept this, that you will periodically experience possibly losses, you'll feel more comfortable with this and you won't experience that fear when they do come.
That's it. And the last reason, reason number 7, fear after this a sequence of wins. So
Ooh.
yes,
Is it too good to be true?
it's too good to be true. Yeah, but sometimes. So look, when you have a sequence of wins, you can be afraid too. You can afraid that you cannot, like for example, so let's say so repeat, yes, or just do this again, yes, and have the same sequence of wins and so on and so on. How to fight again? So realize that losses and wins too. So this is
Oh,
so
I got
all
ahead of
these,
myself.
yes,
I'm
all these are
sorry.
part of a trader's work. Yes, of course, after a sequence of wins, you can have a sequence of losses, but so try to limit them. Try to so that your wins will cover all your losses. Well, I'm not speaking about martingale. Also, yes, I'm speaking about just money management. Yes, a good money management system.
Also, after a sequence of wins, it's possible to feel like we spoke earlier about this in our previous streams about euphoria. And when you
Mm-hmm.
feel euphoria, you may actually venture into like higher trades and get off your trading plan,
That's true.
and then have some losses, which will give you that internal barrier of fear. So yeah, so basically, also, I would say after a sequence of wins, it's good to take a break too.
That's it. Yeah, so that's really so. Well, as for me personally, so I try to do this too. Yeah, so after the sequence of
Oh,
losses, after
can
the
you guys see
sequence
the
of
presentation?
oh yeah, everything's okay, everything's okay. Well, I guess that's so actually, so how to fight here? So to realize that losses are part of a trader's work, so it's almost the same as here. Yeah, so
Mhm.
take it easy. Experience. So losses. This is your experience. Okay.
So, my
So
friends, now we have some excitement for you. I'm sure, I hope that some of you
that's
guys are
it.
here from our previous stream from Tuesday. Me and Alex, we were trading with you. We were scalping without indicators. This
Mm-hmm.
is our stream from Tuesday. And we had a stipulation for you guys that if our video gets 150 likes or more, we're going to give out risk-free trades. We did get 102, so we're still going to give 100 and, we're still going to give out risk-free trades. So we're going to randomly choose 3 winners,
Mm-hmm.
3 comments, and we're going to give you each a risk-free trade worth $10.
Yeah, so what I'm doing, guys, so I'm copying this link, yes, and I will use YouTube random comment picker. So I'm pasting this YouTube link and pick the random comment. So
Let's go.
go.
You guys, if you are the
Traptown
Traptown
TVC, he did not
leave
write.
his,
Yes, he didn't leave the ID number. So let's start again then. So sorry for this. Again. Aha, I see. So this is a person from Russia too. An interesting strategy. My number is 1099-8333.
Sergey Panov.
Sergey Panov. Yeah, so congratulations, you'll get risk-free trades.
If you guys are here, please go ahead and write in chat. Send us your hello and let us know that you're here.
Mm-hmm.
Let's go.
Next one. So let's pick. Aha.
Esther
Thompson.
Thompson.
Yes, good work, guys. 319-26329 USD.
Wonderful.
So
Esther, if you're here, please give us a shout out in chat.
Yeah,
Congratulations,
so
Esther.
Just leave your comments if you are here, so and you'll get risk-free trades too. And again,
one more time,
Gregory
Amondi.
Woo! So like the strategy, Greg 26990570.
Fantastic. Congratulations.
That was
Congratulations.
great, guys.
Congratulations.
So congratulations. And now we have a little surprise for you. Oh, well, Yazir is writing, I'm here. Yazir, do we have Yazir?
No, we didn't have Yazir.
Okay. Well, guys,
okay.
you have actually, well, this is my favorite word, I don't know. Okay, so we have a little surprise for you. We are going to pick one comment. And right now, so we are going to have some type of a lottery.
Esther Thompson is here.
Esther Thompson.
Woo-hoo!
Oh, congratulations.
Hello.
That's great.
Congratulations.
That's great. So, guys, look, what I'd like to ask you is to write the word trade in the chat. Write the word trade. And we'll pick one comment and we'll give you and these comments, this person will get
one more risk-free trade.
Risk-free trade.
So not comment, but in chat. Like, so
yes.
write it in chat. Write trade.
Write it
the
in
word
chat
trade.
right now, guys. Right now. Trade. Yes. And we're going to pick one comment.
So maybe we should duplicate it just in write trade.
Oh, yeah,
just so you guys see how to write it, so not to make a mistake. And then we're gonna randomly choose another winner from live chat, my friends. Woo, Paul Thompson. Esther, not create trade. Go trade. The roof is on fire. Sorry.
Okay.
We're gonna give everybody just a little time to catch up. So go ahead, keep writing trade. Everybody just needs to write trade one time, and we are gonna show you to make sure that you guys are have been added. So let's give it a little bit of time. All right.
Okay, yeah, so you see, well, guys, I hope that you see this on the screen.
Gregory
so you start
here too.
appearing on in our program, yes, in our system. So look, I'd like to show you this window again. So just please check if your name is here. Yes, if your name is here. So if you write trades, you appear in this chart. You appear in this window, in this chart. So just the first letter, I guess it has to be. It doesn't have to be capital, yeah, so just small letter. Okay, so again, check if you appear in this chart. Trades, yes, trades.
Rahmat, let me see. Rahmat, I see you. You're
yes,
here.
So you are here. You are here. Everything's okay.
If you see your name, there's no reason to keep writing it.
Yes.
So just to make sure, just check to see that your name has appeared.
So guys,
good going.
Well, I see Chukwuma Joseph. Yes, so you are here. Everything's okay. Thank you. Dave, do we have Dave here? Yes, we see you. Thank you. Everything's okay.
Dean
A1 Planet, you are here too. So Dean Adonis, you are here too. So you see, yes. So guys, again, so just have a look at Bros G. You appeared. So, well, Esther, you are here.
Oh,
yes,
Esther, you just
again. Yes, Esther wants more. Yeah,
Get
why
that
not?
money.
So guys, okay, so again, so check this window, so you see that we have like 19 members, 19 traders who wrote the word trades in our chart now. Okay, so 21 now. 21. Hey guys, hey Nadim.
Nadim, go ahead and write trade to
Trades,
participate. We're just
yes.
gonna give it a few more minutes to
Okay,
give everybody
okay.
some a chance to catch up. Let's
Uh-huh.
see, Ricky has appeared. Let's see
Mhm.
here. Anybody else? Anybody else? Right. Trade in order to enter a chance to win.
Esther Thompson, Oliver Twist.
I like Oliver Twist.
Oliver Twist. Trades. Nadim,
Nadim.
you are here with us. I see you.
Great, just in time. Random thoughts.
See you, Manish. Hi, Manish. Random thoughts. You are with us. Yes, everything's okay. A1 plans. You are with us too. So don't worry.
Manish,
Don't
if you would
worry.
like to participate, go ahead and write trade. We do
Trades,
see that
yes.
you were just
Yes.
Let's see here. Random thoughts you already
Yes,
added.
you are already added. Yes. Good.
Arun.
Revats, yes, from India, yes. So guys, right now, so let's do the following. So we'll give you just 30 seconds more, okay?
In the meantime, I'm just gonna go ahead and tell you guys one more time that there is a promo code. It is FEB and then the number 12. This is for your, it's a promo code for your deposits. It will add plus 30% to any and all deposits, and it is valid for today and for tomorrow. So please enjoy. Yasir, winners will get a risk-free trade worth of $10. Just like we chose our randomized comments. And my friends, please don't forget that next week we are starting a brand new event. It's going to be a trading challenge with 8 analysts from 6 different countries. There's going to be an awesome quest for you guys to participate, to win a lot of different bonuses and gifts. So it's going to be really, really, really cool.
Subscribe, please.
Make
and
sure
you will not miss anything.
Here you go, Nick. Yes, ring that
Okay,
bell.
let's play.
Let's do this.
Okay, guys. So who is our winner for today? So let's choose. So the system is choosing one, and the winner is
Gashir
Kumar. Our congratulations, Gashi. Please leave your ID number in the chat. Yes, and our congratulations. So we'll give you a present. So this will be a risk-free trade. So our congratulations to you. So please leave the ID in the chat. So while we are waiting for guest ship, so please guys, any questions about our presentation, about our today's topic?
You guys don't forget also to check on the Olymp Trade MetaTrader platform for MetaTrader 4. It's a really, really awesome platform with lots of features and accounts. So, okay, I'm ready.
That's great.
2506214. Woohoo!
Okay. Yeah, you're welcome. You're welcome. Thanks for taking part in this contest, guys. Well, thanks to everybody. Yes. So for your activity. Yes. So that you are so active.
Yes. Thank you so much for coming, for joining us. And don't forget, next week we have so much planned for you guys. It's going to be amazing.
That's it. And and of course, great weekends.
Have a fantabulous weekend. Fantabulous.
See you next time.
Thumbs up if you love us.
Bye.
See you next time.
See you next time.